ठीक है. This is triangle ABC.
Yes.
And what is there? There are two midpoints for this.
Y.
And from X, Y something is being extended till here. From X it is something is extended till this side. And it is. What is this points known as?
Q. A.
P.
P. ఆ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ వచ్చి O.
ఏ intersection ఇదా?
BP and CQ. O.
Okay. Given this, I will read the problem for once. In figure 15.87, problem number 25, X and Y are the midpoints of AC and AB respectively. AC and AB respectively. QP is parallel to BC. And CYQ and BXP. CYQ and BXP. This line and that line. Straight lines. That's it. Prove that the area of triangle ABP, ABC is equal to area of triangle ACQ. That's it. Triangle ABC. X and Y are midpoint on that light also. Becoming red. Midpoints of AB and AC respectively. मैंने कहीं गलत लिखा है शायद. How is your observation? I want to see. AB का Y है. AB.
Reverse.
Yes. AC and AB. बोलना चाहिए. पहले ही बोलना चाहिए. Okay, to prove, what is it to prove? Area of ABP is equal to area of AC. Simple. Now proof. This proof is very much simple. You might have understood. अभी तक आ गया होगा माइंड में. These two are midpoints. Therefore, in triangle ABC, AY equal to BY and AX equal to CX. Therefore, XY is parallel to BC and XY equal to half of BC by midpoint theorem. First thing. That you can say here. Next, what is the second thing that you can say? Next, XY is parallel to BC. XY to parallel to BC means XY. You can take these two triangles BYX and XYC. In quadrilateral BCXY, XY is base. Okay. Therefore, area of XYB equal to area of XYC. XYB equal to area of XYC. Why?
AB X.
Triangles
Same
on the same base and between the same parallels have equal area. These are theorem na in our parallelogram chapter. Areas of parallelogram chapter. Second theorem. Okay. Now see the quadrilaterals above. Quadrilaterals से ऐड कर देंगे तो हो जाएगा. In figure, area of a quadrilateral. This is quadrilateral. So we write quadrilateral. Quadrilateral AXYQ equal to area of quadrilateral AY AYXP, right? AXYQ, AYXP. Why? Quadrilaterals on the same base and between the same parallels. Over. Now you are adding these two. This is what you need to add. First and second. Adding 1 and 2. Look, don't add. Add on. Adding 1 and 2, we'll have area of quadrilateral AXYQ. AXYQ के साथ क्या ऐड करेंगे? के साथ किसको ऐड करेंगे?
YXC.
AXYQ plus YXC. AXYQ के साथ YXC, if you add, it will become AQC triangle. And the remaining, if you add AYXP plus area of XYB, if you add these two, then it will become area of triangle ACQ equal to area of triangle ABC. If you add that will become AB. That's what. Hence proved. So we have to go with the next problem. What is the problem number? 26. ABC 15.88 na ABC and ABCD and AEFD are two parallelograms. ABCD and AEFD are two parallelograms. Good. Prove that PE equal to FQ. PE equal to FQ. करो 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 Next problem, if we just join FD, your answers will come. Very easy. Provided AD PQ should become a parallelogram. Next. చేసేద్దాం 2 minutes చేసేద్దాం ఆన్సర్ ఓకే help me for me what Sharon why mood is not coming
కదా
అసలు లేదా అసలు అయ్యో 5 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కి అయిపోతే ఎట్లా 5 కూడా కాదు ఈ రోజే మరి న్యూమరికల్స్ ఏమైపోతావు
ఇవాళ చాలా పని అసైన్మెంట్స్ చాలా ఈ రోజు ఇచ్చారు
So ABCD and AEFD are two parallelograms. the diagram it is shown. I'm drawing the diagram. Okay, there is something which is like this. Shreya, please subscribe to my art, Instagram art. Why?
Yes.
You, Sharon?
WhatsApp చేయడానికి టైం చాలింగ్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ ఫేస్బుక్ అకౌంట్
You don't have any social networking, Shreya?
Only Facebook, that also my mother uses. That also she does not upload photos.
फेसबुक में लोग फोटोज अपलोड करना कब का छोड़ दिए. Now for photos and everything, Instagram is the platform, but now Instagram also stopped. पता नहीं यार, nowadays days are not good. Why? Because there are many cases which are coming, criminal cases coming on that thing.
సైబర్ క్రైమ్
సైబర్ క్రైమ్ అంటే గర్ల్స్ ఫోటోస్ మార్ఫింగ్ చేసేస్తున్నారు. They are morphing girls photos. That's why people have stopped putting photos of their personal also. Ethics का नाम की कुछ चीज होती है. That should be there. हाँ, अंदर के करण वासी. हाँ, करण. Karen has answered for everything. Okay. So A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. A, E, D, F is a parallelogram. Those two are given. So what is the to prove? First one of to prove. PE equal to FQ. Second one to prove. Area of triangle APE is to area of triangle PFA equal to area of triangle QFD is to area of PFD. Area of triangle PEA equal to area of triangle QFD. So now we have to go with the proof. Shall we start?
Yes.
Okay, let us start. Not to waste time, let us start the proof. So first one. So PE and PE and FQ. PE and FQ. That means you have to take these two triangles. You can do it. These are simple things. Here go. Okay. Something broken.
అప్పుడు వెనకాల చిన్న హోల్డ్ చేసే ఇది అనుకుంటా.
Gripper.
ఇలా అంటే పడుతుందా?
పడిపోతుంది. Now it won't stay. Leave it, it's not a big issue. चलो पहले प्रूफ में चले जाते हैं. इन ट्रायंगल AEP and the triangle FQD our first thing what we have AE equal to DF. AB AE FD is a parallelogram where AE equal to FD. Right? Next, we take an angle here. This angle here. These two angles. Corresponding angles. No? Angle APE equal to angle DQF. AB parallel to CD. Therefore, corresponding angles. What दिनों के बाद इसको यूज किया. After lot many days, we are using corresponding angles again. Otherwise, I have never written on this word. Lot many days. Corresponding angles. Now these two. Now these two are also parallel. Therefore, those two are also corresponding angles. Angle AEP equal to angle DFQ. DF parallel to AE. Same corresponding angles. Therefore, triangle AEP is congruent to triangle DQF. Right? By which congruence rule? AAS congruence rule. AAS congruence rule. Therefore, P equal to QF. P equal to QF by CPC. And one more important thing, area of AEP equal to area of DQF. This we need. If triangles are congruent, then their areas are equal. Rakto, safe side. Rakto. And we have QD also equal to QD equal to AP. Also by CPCT. And QD means CD. Parallel to AB. This is from given. Therefore, QD AP is a parallelogram. What is the proof? What is the proof? Reason here. Reason क्या है?
AP parallel, VA parallel to CD.
I have written these two. ये दोनों देखो. So what is the reason you should write here? I have proved. Reason tell me.
As as a pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel, it becomes a parallel.
When a pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. Theorem 8. Okay. 8.8. When a pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel, then it is a parallel. So this is a parallel. First part proof is over. From here, second part proof starting. This is first part, na? ये चाहिए तो मिल गया. यहाँ से second part सुनो. Now see what we have. APE is to PFA. Okay, these two. And we need to draw this because the diagonal of the APE PFA. These are two parts. Oh, ठीक है, समझ में आ गया. QFD. Okay. Now you can see these two triangles. For this ratio, we need these two triangles inside two triangles.
Yes.
You are getting my point?
Yeah.
These two triangles, to get these two triangles, we have PF as the common base and AD is, you know that APQD is parallelogram, therefore QF is parallel to, therefore QF is parallel to AD. That is QP. ఎందుకు తప్పు చెప్తారు సారా? నేను అలా రాసేస్తుంది కరెక్ట్ చెప్పారేమో. QP is parallel to AD. QP is parallel to AD. Therefore,
Same base and between same
and PF is the
base.
common base.
Common base.
PF is common base. Therefore, area of what is that? PFD equal to area of PFA. PFA no? PFA equal to PFA. Reason? Tell me.
Same base, between same base and same parallels. Triangles between same base and same parallels are equal in areas.
Triangles between the same base and between same parallels are equal in areas. There you have to write that. हो गया? I'm erasing. This part I am erasing. You are writing with me, na? Shreya, what? So now you can see that this is 1, this is 2. Now adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2, we get area of AEP. Area of AEP plus area of is by, sorry, area of, no, not adding, ratio of 1:2. The area of AEP equal to area of AEP is APE only. QFD will be there. QFD or DQF. Both are same. Okay, this is 1. 2 is below niche liko 2. Area of PFD. This PFA. इसको क्या लिखना PFD. हो गया. This is what we need, na?
Yes.
This is what this states.
Yes.
Therefore, area of triangle APE is to area of PFA. लिखना चाहिए. Generally, you should write this equal to area of DQF is to area of PFA. This is what we do. Now, what is third one? PEA. PEA equal to QFD. अरे already किया. That's it. That only. That means third also done. hence proof.
Oh, by
Already we did na, from 1.
See.
This is write down 3, this is write down 2. This is 3 part, this is 2 part. पहले 3 करके फिर 2 करना.
we can write now AEP is equals to area of PQ proved above.
नहीं, ratio of 1 and 2 later ना. 1 and 2 are statements already I have given.
That all is written, but I want to know about
This is the end of the.
this problem.
And now we have the biggest problem in our hand. हाँ, सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हमारे लिए वेट कर रहा है अभी. ओके, so there is a triangle. This is generally a proof used by researchers. This proof is generally used by researchers. A, B, C, and on each side of the triangle, they are making a square. This is generally used for hypotenuse. This is perpendicular, 90 degree. How to show you? And there is one dotted line which is exactly breaking this into 2 equal halves, that is x, and you are joining this line by this line. We are joining this line with D. We are joining this side, we will do later. बस इतना तक रखो. Because problem will become complex. So what is given? Triangle ABC, right angled at A. BCED, ACFG and ABMN are squares on BCED, ACMN, no, ABMN, not ACMN, BCED, ABMN and ACFG. All three are squares. And line segment AX is perpendicular to DE, meets BC at Y. And meets BC at Y. This is what is given in the question. इसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं दिया है. Then to prove, total 8 bits. First bit, triangle MBC congruent to triangle ABD. Second bit, area of BY XD equal to 2 times area of MBC. Third bit, area of BY XD equal to area of ABMN. This is the first part of the problem. Correctly बोलने से ये first part है. Second part of the problem में भी 3 bit है. This fourth number, triangle FCB congruent to triangle AC. Now came in your mind, same. Repeating the same.
అందుకే చెప్పాను కదా ఈజీగా.
ఆహా, శారన్ కన్యాలు అందరికి తెలిసిపోతాయి. బర్త్డే పార్టీ అంటే ఆటోమేటిక్గా గుర్తొచ్చేస్తాయి అన్నీ, అవునా?
అవును.
Don't waste place another here because we need to do minimum proofs. We need to do here. And the last one, third part, which is the final we need, is here writing. I am writing here area of BCED plus area of area of BCED equal to area of ABMN plus area of ACFG. This is what we need to prove. This is a problem. In figure 15.91, ABC is a right-angle triangle at A. BCED, ACFG and ABMN are squares on sides BC, CA and AB respectively. Line segment AX perpendicular to BE meets BC at Y. Show that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is ultimate. I have divided for your easiness of understanding. I have divided. You are able to see or not see?
ఏంటి
Your board.
కనిపిస్తుంది?
Very good. కనిపిస్తుంది. ఏమో బర్త్డే పార్టీ అనగానే ఎవ్రీథింగ్. ఓకే, సో లెట్ us start the proof.
డైరెక్ట్ అన్నతో పాటు రాసిన.
So let us start the proof. Shuru? Start. First point. What we need to go? We have to go with first MBC and ABD. So this you have to prove the congruence. Congruence you have to prove. So for proving the congruence, in triangle MBC and triangle ABD, we will use more amount of space. That's why I will divide it into two areas.
ఓకే.
So that space will be wisely used. MB equal to MB in this triangle equal to AB of the triangle. That is given because it is a square. Sides of a square. Point clear? These are sides of a square. Therefore, equal. Next, what side we will go with?
అది
BC equal to
BD.
this is given because it is side of a square. Next, included angle. Included angle means this angle. For this triangle, this angle for this triangle. We know these two are 90 degree.
Yes. ఇంకొకటి కామన్.
Common. So,
MBA,
angle B
BC,
plus angle MBA plus
యాంగిల్ ABC.
angle, it is the angle pure angle B equal to
ఎస్.
angle DBC plus angle B. We can prove because where angle MBA equal to angle DBC equal to 90 degree, right?
Yes.
So this is 90 plus B equal to 90 plus angle B. Common. This is due to square. Therefore, now triangle clearly batao. MBC is congruent to triangle ACE. By which rule? SAS congruence rule. Therefore, first part over. Next second part. Therefore, area of MBC equal to area of ACE. यहाँ पे हमारा फर्स्ट पार्ट एंड हुआ अच्छी तरीके से. Now we'll go with the second part. The second part is beginning here. So we need b by dx. We need b by dx. b by dx means this small. So this is also 90 degree, obviously. Because it is told now this is perpendicular to it. It is given in the question. AX is perpendicular to DE.
Okay.
Okay. So b by xd is a rectangle.
Yes.
In quadrilateral b by xd, by parallel to dx and all angles 90 degree, hence b by dx is a rectangle. Clear? ओके नो इसको छोड़ो, डी वाई डी एक्स को छोड़ दो, वो बाद में देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट हमको चाहिए एमबीसी, 2 टाइम्स एरिया ऑफ एमबीसी. एमबीसी 2 टाइम्स एरिया ऑफ एमबीसी. सो वी हैव व्हाट एमबीसी इज इक्वल टू एसीई, ऑलरेडी प्रूव्ड अबव. सो वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट. इसके प्लेस में सब्स्टिट्यूशन लिखने बोला ना, पेंसिल से लिख लो एग्जामिनेशन में. 2 टाइम्स एरिया ऑफ ABD यू हैव टू प्रूव. ABD 2 टाइम्स एरिया ऑफ ABD यू हैव टू प्रूव. सो बेस ऑन बेस BD, on base BD, see the base BD is the base, ABD is one triangle and BYXD is here. This is a parallelogram, this is a triangle between the on the same base and between the same parallels. Sharan, understand? Not understood? नहीं है, समझ में नहीं है. ये समझ में आया? This you are not understand. This understood? BD, this is a rectangle. You are not understand. On base BD, see the base is BD. And AX is a parallel line.
Yeah.
So BD and A is there. So ABD is this triangle and BDXY is a rectangle. So this is a parallelogram. If you think is a parallelogram, this quadrilateral इसका आधा होगा.
हाँ, yes.
Brilliant. Now you got my point?
Yeah.
On base BD, what is there?
ఏదో ఒకటి చేయను.
Area of ABD equal to half of area of BDXY
ఏదో ఒకటి చేయను. త్వరగా అవ్వదు.
as BD parallel to AX. BD parallel to AX. ఒక 10 minutes పడుతుంది, అంత మించి పడుతుంది పక్కా.
కానీ 10 minutes లోపల
ఇంకొక 10 minutes మళ్ళీ స్నానం చేయాలి.
నువ్వు వెంటనే స్నానం చేసి రెడీగా ఉంటే పెద్దగాని పంపిస్తాను నేను. 10
Okay.
minutes కంటే ఎక్కువ ఈ రోజు కొద్దిగా ఇచ్చేసి పేజ్
ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఒక్కటే
అయిపోతే
అయిపోతే ఈ ప్రాబ్లం అయితే
బోర్డు అవన్నీ పక్కన పెట్టేసి ఇంక ఇవన్నీ లోపల పెట్టి అన్నీ చేయొద్దు నువ్వు. మనం రాత్రి వచ్చాక చేసుకుందాం. బోర్డు కింద దించి పెట్టేసే చాలు.
రీజన్
ఫోన్ నీకు ఇక్కడ బయట పెడతానా?
ట్రయాంగిల్
నేను అవసరం ఫోన్ చేసా.
parallelogram triangle between same base and same parallels. If a triangle or parallelogram
Triangles on triangle and a parallelogram on the same base and between the same parallel, then the area of the triangle is equal to half of the area of the parallelogram. Clear? That is what required. It is recording now. Any problem? Okay? Okay. You are जल्दी बोलो. ठीक है? So now area of ABD equal to half of PDX. Now ABD we can replace by using MBC. Therefore area of MBC equal to half of area of PDXY. Proved earlier. Or you can write like this. Put 1 here. Okay. MBC equal to half of area of, therefore you adjust it, area of BDXY equal to 2 times area of MBC. Done? यहाँ तक हो जानी चाहिए. अब नेक्स्ट थर्ड पार्ट. Third part. What is third part? BYXD is equal to area of ABMN equal to area of ABMN. This is what we need in the third part. How? करो जल्दी. Okay, done. Now you listen. We have done one small correction. Please do this. It is very straight line, na?
Yeah.
This should be straight line. ऐसे.
Yeah.
ऐसे.
అది కూడా సేమ్
This also straight line. It do little bit straight line. While drawing only, do drawing perfectly. Because we are doing mistakes while drawing. Okay. This is straight line. Why? Because this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. Because it is given that angle is 90 degree. Okay. Now, in figure, angle A equal to 90 degree. Therefore,
కాదు
CN is line. CN is a line. Okay, any doubt? As this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, दोनों मिला के 180 degree, therefore it is a line. CN is a line. Clear? Now, what is there is ABMN. ABMN. This one, this square. We need this one. ABMN. So ABMN is equal to.
half of
Therefore, area of this MBC equal to half of area of ABMN.
సేమ్ ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్
This I am writing as theorem. You write this theorem. Triangle and base on the same. That theorem you write. Area of MBC equal to half of area of ABMN. Same theorem.
అప్పుడు సెకండ్ దీని నుంచి అది తీసుకోండి.
Therefore, this is the.
ABMN equals to 2
This is
MB.
second. Okay.
2 MB.
Now put 2 here. What it will become in the place of MBC? Half of area of BDXY equal to half of area of ABMN. In the place of MBC, I have replaced this half of area of BDXY. So half of will get cancelled. Therefore, area of BDXY equal to area of ABMN. So this is the third part. That means this is the first part of the proof completed. Okay. Now you have to join these also. These also are joinings are there. అంతేనా ఇంకేమన్నా ఉన్నాయి?
సైడ్ ప్లీజ్.
ఇంకా మిగిలిన చేయండి. Similarly, second part, all similarly. But don't write similarly in examination and write that 4, 5, 6 similarly follows. As an error. Don't do such things. Clear? Done? Shall I go forward?
Yes.
Okay, na?
Yes.
Now FCB and ACE. Now FCBC, FCB and ACE. Same condition like this. अब मैं क्या करूँगा? I'll just keep on editing. Shall I start?
Yes.
In triangle FCB and ACE. FCB and ACE.
మొత్తం రాయాలా?
ఇది మొత్తం రాస్తారు అయిపోయిందా? కంప్లీటెడ్?
అయిపోయింది.
మళ్ళీ రాయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ రైట్ డౌన్, దిస్ ఇస్ ఫోర్త్ పార్ట్. FCB and ACE. Already ACE I have written, done. ACE, FCB and ACE. MB ప్లేస్ లో ఏమొస్తుంది?
FC.
FCB కదా. FCB means CF
CF.
equal to AC. AB हटा के AC डाल. I am just editing. Now I will do editing. You have to do all the problem.
Okay.
Next in the place of BC, what will come?
BC.
BC will remain BC.
Yes, BC will remain BC. BD place లో CE వస్తుంది.
Exactly, C will come in the place of. I'm keeping on editing. As angle MBA के place में क्या आएगा?
ACB. अच्छी FCB.
FCB,
Plus
not FCB not FCA.
yeah. Yes.
What you are telling? FCA, this is 90, this is 90.
Yeah, FCA plus angle CE.
D, in the place of D, put E.
Yeah. CE.
ECB. ECB equal to 90. This you will change it to in the place of angle B common, we will keep C common. And this in the place of this, what you will write?
The FCA.
FCA and ECB. Okay, 90 plus angle C, 90 plus angle C. Okay, now what are the two triangles which are congruent? FCB congruent to
అయిపోయింది.
by SAS congruence rule. Therefore, FCB is congruent to is equal with area of AC. Okay. Now in quadrilateral, CYXE, CYXE.
సేమే కదా, మళ్ళీ రాయాలా?
రాయాలి, మొత్తం రాయాలి. Look, from here till here everything you should write again with changed numbers. That means ఇప్పటి వరకు ఈ పార్ట్ చేసాం. This is if you take it as the margin line. This part done. Now this part is the second part. This is the second part we are doing. Now this is for fifth number. BY parallel to DX. Change it. CY parallel to XC. CY parallel to XC. All angles are 90 degree, hence CYXE is rectangle on base. Which one? ఇందాక BD base ఉంది. On the base was BD. Now the base is CE. Now what is it? BD parallel to AX. BD parallel to AX. Now CE parallel to AX. Now what here become? It will become area of ABD. ABD was this one. Now it will be ACE. Area of ACE will become equal to half of area of this parallelogram CYXE. Proof same, reason same. You put this 1, 2, you took na, so you put this as number 3 and you put this as number 4. So put 3 here, you will get what? In the place of AC you can put FCB, half of area of CYXE. Therefore area of CYXE is 2 times area of FCB. This is our 5th part. Now going to 6th part. 3 we are changing to 6. In figure, angle A 90 degree, CN is a line. So now angle A 90 degree, which will become a line? BG will become a line. BG is a line. Area of MBC. This in the place of MBC you will write FCB equal to half of area of what is there? ABMN was there. Now here will become ACFG. ACFG. Write the theorem. Now put 4 here. Now if you put 4 here, half of area of CYXE. FCB के place में you are putting ना half of CYXE equal to half of what is this? ACFG. Therefore area of CYXE equal to area of ACFG. This is 6th part also proved. Clear? हो गया 6 parts हो गया. That's why I told we'll finish in 10 minutes.
అంటే 3 hours
3 hours. Just simple this I need, not more than this. So you have to, for finding that 3, we need to get the expressions of this 3 and this 4, this 6. Now using for 7 we have to write using 3 and 6 adding. So you are adding 3 and 6. What is adding 3 and 6? Area of BYXD plus area of CYXE equal to area of ABMN plus area of ACFG. Am I right or not? Because all these are proved. Last, this is left, that one is left. So BYXD, CYXE. BYXD, CYXE. If we add those two, then it will become the area of quadrilateral BCDE equal to area of ABMN plus area of. Return this all. SAS congruence rule. This is clear, no? This side I am clearing. Plus area of ACFG. I feel this is the answer. On that. So therefore, area of BCDE equal to area of ABMN plus area of ACFG. Hence proved. And that is the end of the today's session.
Thank you.
Thank you. So today's session is ending here. So it is already 7:30. So we will close the session. Any doubt? Anywhere in the problem? All clear? बहुत कुछ. So these types of problems are there. So you should, this what happens is, this is useful for development of intellect. This is just use application of mind to develop your thinking on the concept. That means your hearts, your ability, your skill will be developed. That's the advantage of these type of problems. And tomorrow we will continue with physics, no? Tomorrow bring physics. Okay. And when is our test on? Saturday. Adi Sharma problems will come. No, I won't.
9/11 అది ఇవ్వండి 3/8.
Why? I don't know. See, whatever my mood is, I will give the paper accordingly. Okay? So, okay, this problem, any no more doubts now? Let's close the session here.
Okay.
Okay? So, if any further doubts, you can consult me personally. Okay, thank you.